and red, hanging on a tree above my head. B is for ball that bounces high, rolling through the jungle up to the sky. C is for cat with whiskers so neat, purring softly at my feet. D is for dog who runs so fast, chasing butterflies as they go past. Let's sing the alphabet, come along with me. Letters in the jungle from A to Z. Clap your hands and sing out loud. Learning our ABC makes us proud. E is for elephant, big and strong, spraying water all day long. F is for fish that swims in a stream, glittering scales with a shiny gleam. G is for giraffe, so tall and kind, eating green leaves that he can find. H is for hat on a branch so high, a parrot grabs it as it flies by. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a jungle treat on a sunny street. J is for jug with juice so bright, pouring the drink is pure delight. K is for kite that soars up high, dancing with the clouds in the sky. L is for lion with a golden mane, roaring proudly across the plain. Let's sing the alphabet, come along with me. Letters in the jungle from A to Z. Clap your hands and sing out loud. Learning our ABC makes us proud. M is for monkey, swinging with glee, jumping from branch to branch on a tree. N is for nest, tucked safe and round, baby birds chirping a happy sound. O is for octopus deep in the sea, waving its arms so playfully. P is for panda, munching bamboo, smiling gently while chewing too. Q is for queen with a crown so bright, shining like the stars at night. R is for rainbow, after the rain, spreading colors across the plain. S is for sun with a golden glow, making the jungle plants all grow. T is for train with a chop-chop sound, rolling its wheels across the ground. U is for umbrella in colors bold, keeping us dry when the rain turns cold. V is for violin playing a song, the jungle animals hum along. W is for whales splashing the sea, singing a tune so joyfully. X is for xylophone bright and clear, playing a melody we all hear. Y is for yeah.